Wow. My food right inside Africa. Phone me about Rajabo, about the Mudada. I just can't you know what they did. Got my phone some kind of updates. Mokibo Guale can see. Any to read me, Benny. Because this is what it looks like at the beautiful fish market. Liberty, Tita, Mira, Bombo. Eh? Eh? No, more life. Liberty, Tita, Rira. I just can't see. I can't go and see fish market. We are long penny fish market. I'm a bit on penny fish market. Sorry, fish market, that's the fish market. Sorry, fish market. I'm ẹja yọyọ lele. Ìdáhùn ẹja yọyọ yẹn lele. Irú ẹja ò lẹ́wọ́lẹ̀.
Really big scale. She was life.
Ká wá wo ohun tó ń lọ ní the other side ní bíbá. Ṣé rí pé àwọn èèyàn wá ń ṣiṣẹ́ when it comes to Africa. Iṣẹ́ is a lot of hard work. Àwọn tó ń lọ pẹja àtàwọn tó ti dé wọ́n máa lọ sínú odò lọ́hùn wá lọ pẹja wá. Ìwọ tó wà ní abroad àtàwọn tá jọ ń gbé ní diaspora, you can see why we need to save Africa. They're working very hard, just like Baba Noshin Shishe, but again, as usual, we need a lot more to be done. So this is Koikimedia, right at the fish market. So, fish market, Sherry, a Jori Shiri Shilosha and Kodean. So they can move close. Kalowo, I want to share Kwejade. So that is the fish market there, as you can see. So, Ocean come and Jale de missing. I want Yashan law. I want to share Lonnie. I want to share the land. So, I want to continue today. I want Yashan law. Along Kewagoni, Africa. Fresh, live and direct. Báwọn lè ṣe ń gbẹ́ja àwọn tọ̀hún yẹn ṣe dredging, wọ́n ti lọ dredge, wọ́n ti lọ kó yẹ̀pẹ̀ dé. So, and they will eventually, I can zoom in a little bit. Prepare for my zooming option. So, and that is. So fish market. Oríṣiríṣi ẹja ló wà nínú market. This is Koikimedia. Ẹ mọ̀ pé frozen fish là ń jẹ ní diaspora all the time. Bàwọn eléyìí bó ṣe ń kó dé láti odò, àwọn kan lọ́ṣẹ̀ dé lọ́hùn yẹn. Wọ́n ṣe ń offload. Ìjà lọ sí side yẹn. So, Katu, Lalo on the other side. The fish market. àwọn báyà dẹ̀ ti on the ground. Àwọn tó máa rà kúrò lọ́wọ́ wọn. Wọ́n ti wọ̀ on the ground. Bonsoir. So, àwọn tó ṣẹ̀ dé láwọn ilé ọṣẹ kẹjà dé. Akùn làwọn ilé tọ́ṣẹ̀ kò dé nísìn. So, fresh, life and direct. Ọlọ́run fà lùbáríkà sí iṣẹ́ tí gbogbo wa bá ń ṣe. Iṣẹ́ ló ń ṣe níbí báyìí. So, what you're watching right now, you are experiencing. So you can see the crab. They're just bringing them out. So that's about it. So it is Koikimedia. Quite a lot of work, and it is a very very busy, extreme busy, and that's how it is down in Africa. So, you know what, adúpẹ́ fún as we continue to explore, then buying a fresh fish, ó yàtọ̀ sí frozen fish. So it's a big, massive difference. The weather is extremely hot, but it is good water as well. So Moki, as I continue to look at different part of Benin Republic, it's quite a lot happening within my surroundings. And this is Koikimedia. Have a very good afternoon.